So on the menu today, I'm going to be making this beautiful pork and vegetable fried rice. I'm serving that with a nice simple sesame seed oil omelet with some sriracha. Absolutely delicious, doesn't take long. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's get started by looking at what we need for this. So obviously we're going to need rice. Now, you may have heard me say this 1,000 times with any fried rice. Cold cooked rice is perfect. Hot and warm rice doesn't work out so well. This rice was cooked yesterday, stuck in the fridge. It's beautiful. It's nice and kind of separated and fluffy. It's great. Pork. Now I'm using pork loin for this. You could use belly pork if you want, but this is a nice, lovely, lovely for frying. It really is beautiful. I love it. It cooks really nicely. Chopped onion, spring onion, green onion, or scallions, whatever you call that. A couple of teaspoons of fish sauce. Be careful with fish sauce because it's very salty. Optional bit of chili. Here I've got like 2 or 3 tablespoons of soy. I'm using a light soy. And then the vegetables that you want to use is up to you. I'm going to be using celery, green pepper, and red bell pepper, cut nice and small. And then I've got a tablespoon of garlic and a tablespoon of ginger. Let's get moving. Okay, so I've got my wok here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. And what I want to do is drop in our garlic and ginger first. Now I've got this on the maximum heat, highest heat that we can, and we're going to cook it all the way on maximum heat. Okay, just a few seconds. Let's just throw that garlic and ginger around. It's really going to infuse that oil. Just takes a couple of seconds. We're then going to add in our onion, our celery, if you're using celery that is, and our pork. In it goes, nice pork loin. And we're going to go for 4 minutes on a high heat, and we're going to keep moving it all the time. So that's 4 minutes. Now, if you were using belly pork, you might want to go for 6 or 7 minutes because you've got to have that fat on it that you need to cook. This pork loin is really super lean, so it only takes about 4 minutes. We're going to go with some black pepper, quite a generous amount. We're going to pop in our fresh chili, the bell peppers, the red and the green, and like I say, think about mushrooms, broccoli, corn, anything goes now. I'm just using these guys today. Carrots are great as well in this. Next up, we're going to go with the soy. I'm using a light soy. And we're going to add the fish sauce. Now the fish sauce is very salty. I've added pepper, but I'm not going to be adding salt. You can add both if you want, but for me, there will be no need. Okay, another 4 minutes. Keep it moving. And then we'll be ready for our rice. Absolutely fabulous. Okay, rice time. Let's get our nice cold cooked basmati rice in there. You can already see that it's beautifully fluffy, and it will really help in the frying process if you add hot or warm rice. It's really going to break and become a little bit mushy. But we need to go for 4 to 5 minutes and actually fry this rice. Some people, chuck it in, throw it around for a couple of minutes and end up with a hot rice salad, if you ask me. So if I get a little bit of browning or even blackening on the rice, I will be really happy. I'll see you in about 5. So I'm hoping that you can hear that. That is your rice frying. That's where you want it to be. A little bit stuck on the side. Gives us that little bit of kind of browning. Super happy with that. Off goes the heat. some green onions, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them. We're going to give that a little mix in. We're going to set this aside just for 2 minutes. We're going to do one more thing. So I'm back on the heat with this little frying pan, and I've got some sesame oil in there. Nice nutty flavour. 2 beaten eggs. And it goes. Now if you wanted, you could stick a little bit of oyster sauce in there, which is beautiful. I'm going to go just with this now, just the egg and the sesame oil. I am going to add a little bit of black pepper and salt. I'm going to push that in, get the egg that side, push it in, see if we can get some egg down there. I'm going to just cook this however you like actually. Some people like it a little bit runny, some people like it well cooked. Beautiful. So that's beautiful. You can see the lovely pork fried rice there with that lovely simple omelette. Now here, sriracha, a nice mild, not too crazy chili sauce. And there you go. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.